everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm here to show you how I took this glossy red nail color, used some Nail Addict, the matte top coat, and made my nails this beautiful matte. I'm going to show you guys how I did it, and I'm going to show you guys my new collection of the Nail Addict's vegan nail polish colors. You guys may have seen my previous video where I got my first 3 colors. You guys can always check that video out if you haven't seen them already. So now I have this dark green called Green Addict. Now I have the red, which I'm going to be using in this video, called Red Addict. The pink shade is called Pink Addict. Go figure. Then I have Yellow Addict, the Blue Addict. Then I have Sea, Swing, and Sun, which is kind of like a nudish, kind of a muted shade. And then I have the black one, which is called Black Addict. And of course, I have a base coat, I have a top coat, and I have the matte top coat. I'm not going to be using the glossy top coat, obviously, because I want a matte finish, so I'll just be using the matte one. And I've already applied some press-ons, and my favorite way to apply press-ons, by the way, is by using the base coat as the glue. So I cure it under the light, and that's how they stay on. They last longer than using nail glue, so that's a tip if you guys want to try that out. So now I'm going to be applying the base coat on top of the nails so that the color could, stay longer and be nice and perfect. After I put that under the light for about maybe a minute and a half or so, I go ahead and apply 1 coat of Red Addict. The thing about these colors, and this is my favorite thing about these colors, is that they are so pigmented. 1 coat is all you need. As you can see, it's just so beautiful and rich. The formula is amazing. And I just applied my 1 coat all over the nails, and then I cure them under the lamp again for maybe about 1 to 20 seconds. That's a minute and a half, right? No, that's 2 minutes. I think I probably did 90 seconds. To be honest, I think I did 90 seconds. But obviously that's gonna vary from lamp to lamp, so keep that in mind. So you see how it came out beautiful and glossy. This is a look on its own. And remember, I didn't even put the glossy top coat on yet, and it's still so beautiful and glossy. So that's another perk of these colors. You don't really need a top coat, but it's good, if you want your color to last, longer. But again, I want a matte finish, so I'm going to be putting on the matte top coat, and it just looks glossy. It looks like I'm putting on a glossy coat, but no, that's because I didn't put it under the lamp yet. Once I put it under the lamp, I can actually see it mattify. I didn't record that part, but it's pretty instant. As soon as I put them in there, I saw how they came out looking incredibly matte to perfection, like this. And it's such a beautiful finish, I'll definitely be rocking a matte red lip to go with these nails, because why wouldn't I? It's amazing, an amazing combo. One thing I did notice is that I wasn't perfect with the application of the matte of the matte top coat, and that's apparent when I saw up close that I still saw some glossiness towards my cuticles. That just tells me I didn't put the matte all the way over my entire nails, but that's okay. And I decided I want to put a little jewels on my nails, so I used a little bit of nail glue to adhere the little red jewels. And that's it. I love this look. It's beautiful. It's excellent, and I can't wait to try all of these other colors, just the regular glossy version of it and the matte version. Amazing. Nail Addict also has their own remover. I know when it comes to gel nail polish, sometimes it's a pain to remove. You have to soak them, but when you use the Nail Addict remover, you just have to apply the nail remover product on top of your nails for a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then wipe them off, and it's really that easy. So shout outs to Nail Addict. I really love these products. I really do. So Let me know if you guys want to see more nail videos. Nail is one of my first loves. If you guys are a hardcore follower of mine, then you know that. I have nail videos on here before I ever did any hair videos. But thank you again, Nail Addict. If you guys want a discount, make sure you check down below for 50% off. A whole 50% off, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.